This is a demonstration of the Pdsegen ISPF dialog. It's been around for a couple of years now. It's growing like topsy. Something that I wrote to get over the deficiency of native ISPF in handling PDSE member generations. What we see in front of us is a test PDSE with a max gen of 10 set up, and it has two members, member ABC and member DEF. DEF has two generations along with the base. ABC has the base member, base generation, and then it has 10 generations. This is just one of the displays of PDSegen. We can scroll left and right to change what the displays are. It gives us 4-digit year. This gives a larger 8-character command input field. Again, this one has 4-digit years. Here we've got the relative and the absolute generations and different information depending upon the view that you prefer to have. Pdsegen has a wealth of capabilities. PF1 brings up the tutorial. And as you can see from over here on the top, it's a scrollable panel because there are so many. So we'll hit enter and we'll scroll down and you can see there's even more. This is a very powerful tool. One of the reasons that you would use PDSE member generations is if you want to try and recover something. We can go in here and we'll go generation 5. We can type a slash here to see what options we have. We notice member is ABC, generation -5. These are all of the commands that we can use. Option Z will compare that generation to the base generation. We can browse, delete, recover. Recover will take that generation and create a full distinct new member. The reason for that is you can't change the existing, you can't really access or use a generation outside of PDSegen or some other product that supports member generations. You can promote, that will take your generation -5 and create it and put it up as the base or generation 0. Z will compare it, X will execute it if it were an exec. U gives you the ability to do a user command. T for try it, that will actually execute it if it's an executable or display it if it's a panel. Different options for a base member. We have more options that we can do with a base member. We can change attributes. We can copy it. We can submit it. We could submit the other one. We can clone. Clone is basically makes a copy of the member in the data set. This copy will copy it to another data set. Rename swap. This is very helpful if you have member ABC and DEF and you want to swap them, which we'll do right here. And takes a second or two or so because my system's rather slow. You see now, member ABC is the old DEF base and 2 generations. DEF is the old ABC, which had a base member of 0 and 10 generations. Lots of capabilities here. Check it out if you want to use PDSE member generations. Another option is info on the command line will tell you more information about the particular data set, including a breakdown on how many generations and what the breakdown is. On the command line, you can type in O and you will get a list of all of the primary commands that are available to you. All of these, by the way, are point and shoot. Set is one that allows you to change the colors. Let's say you don't like the colors on selections that are defaulting. You can now change them to whatever you'd like, and then PF3 and they're set. So hope that's been useful. Get it at www.lbdsoftware.com.